Hello guys, again this is me, Teacher Patring, your ESL teacher. So now let's talk about how to apply on Preply. Again, ano po ba yung mga qualification ni Preply? Actually wala. No need an experience, you just need to prepare your introduction video and also yourself. So ayun lang po ang qualification ni Preply. Okay, but if you have a certificate, it's a plus. Okay, so now let's talk about this one. So first thing to do is open your Google Chrome or any browser that you have. Then next would be search for preply.com. Okay, and lalabas po dyan ay ito. So as you can see, may kita mong una find your tutor. But ibababa nyo lang po yan ng ibababa until makita nyo tong become a tutor. So you just need to click become a tutor. Then after that, makikita nyo na dyan kung ano yung steps. So these are the steps. First would be sign up. Next, get approved by our team in 5 days. Okay, then start earning. Okay, ganun lang po kabilis yung processing time or yung hiring time ng Preply. Okay, then after that, create a tutor profile now. Click this one. Then after this, lalabas po itong sign up as tutor. So as you can see here, there's sign up with Google and sign up with Facebook. So it's up to you kung ano po yung gagamitin nyo pang sign up. But for me, gamitin natin si Google. Okay, so let's connect the Google or the Gmail of us. Then, after that, ito yung unang lalabas. About. So, syempre, alam nyo na yan, more or less, more on your personal details only. Then, don't forget to click I confirm I'm over 18. Then, save and continue. Then, next would be the profile picture. So, as you can see here, guys, meron nang nakalagay kung ano po yung dapat na profile picture nyo. Okay, so ayan na, kailangan lahat ng check na yan is nandun sa profile picture nyo. So how to upload? You just click this upload new photo or anything and makikita nyo na yung lalabas na yan dyan at pwede na kayo mag-select ng pictures nyo. Okay, then save and continue. Then after that, this one, teaching certification. So if you have a TEFL certificate, you can search here, TEFL certificate. Okay? And kung saan bang academy ka kumuha, kung sa teacher record, and many more. Because marami tayong pwedeng kuhaan ng TEFL certificate. Okay? Then, if wala naman, you can say, my certificate is not on list, and ilalagay mo lang dito, kunwari, teacher record. Okay? So, ganyan po siya. Teacher record, certificate name, TEFL, 120 hours, mga ganun po. Okay? So, makikita nyo yun dun sa certificate nyo. So, yun lang po ilalagay nyo. But, okay, nakalagay din po dyan, years of study and present or kung hanggang kailan. Okay? Kung nag-aaral ka pa rin ba hanggang ngayon o tapos na. Okay? Then, upload your certificate. Make sure po na naka-JPEG or PNG format na hindi lalagpas ng 20 MB. Okay, so ganun lang po yun. Then kapag na-upload nyo na, save and continue. But Teach, paano po yun? Wala po kasi akong certificate pa. Okay, sige, pwede yan. I-follow up na lang natin. So, you just need to click, I don't have any certificate or I don't have a teaching certificate. Then, save, continue. Then, next would be this one, education. So, this education is more or like when you are a bachelor's degree holder. Okay, kahit na hindi ka teacher, okay lang yun. Pwede mo dyan ilagay. Kung BSBA ka, pwede yan dyan. And also, you need to upload your diploma. At again and again, I just say na JPEG and PNG format lang po. Maximum size of 20 MB. Okay? Then, kung wala naman cheat teach, paano po yan? Senior high school lang kasi natapos ko. Okay, kung senior high school lang natapos mo, you can check, I don't have a higher education degree. Okay, then save and continue. Next would be this one, profile description. So here on profile description, as you can see, makikita nyo na dyan, introduction yourself. So make it or use ChatGPT para makagawa kayo nyan, or else you can do your own typing there. Okay? And teaching experience, ano na ba yung teaching experience? So as you can see here, I have here for walang mga experience. Honestly, I don't have any experience related on teaching. Only experience is being trainer on our company, which is Sanggip Salon Restaurant and Internet Provider. Because of being HR manager, I'm the one who in charge to teach them on process in every position they have. Okay, so that is perks for me because I'm an HR manager before. But it's up to you kung paano mo mapapaniwala yung mag-check nito na kahit na wala kang experience, paano ka makakapagturo? Paano mo magagampanan yung pagiging teacher? Okay? So, nasa sa inyo na po iyan. Then, next would be this one, motivate potential student. Okay? So, ito, usually, ginagamit ko lang talaga ChatGPT. Tinatype ko kay ChatGPT yung gusto kong sabihin, then si ChatGPT yung te-tailor nung ika-copy paste ko dito. But, wag naman po puro copy paste ha. Make sure po na anong tawag doon? Make sure po na babasahin nyo muna. And also this one. Okay? So only that one, simple. Okay? But make sure you do your best for this one. Okay? So, that's all. Then, if nasagutan na lahat yan, you can save and continue. Then, after that, magte-test camera ka na. Okay? So, when it comes on test camera, ganyan lang. Then, kapag kapipindutin mo tong test record, make sure na magsasalita ka. Kasi, i-check din nila yung iyong mic. Okay? Okay, so let's give an example. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Patricia.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Patricia.
So, ganun lang po. Ganun lang po siya kabilis. Then, next. Then, after that, ito na sa video introduction na maraming nagtatanong. So, ito na po yung do's and don'ts. So, you can pause the video kung gusto mong basahin to. And ito na po yung do's and don'ts, ha? So, ayan lang po yung mga susundin nyo. And also, ang pag-upload po ay updated na. So, kailangan po i-upload mo siya sa YouTube. And yung link ng YouTube mo, yun po yung ilalagay mo. And automatic mag appear na siya yan dyan. Okay, so if you want to know kung paano mag-upload at paano makuha yung link, you just click this YouTube. And ayan na yung lalabas. Okay, so um, may lalabas na dyan. Okay, may lalabas na dyan kung ano yung kung paano. Ituturo na yun sa'yo. Then save and continue. Then after that, is this your current time? Make sure na tama po yung current time nyo. Then you will say yes. Then after that, okay, and after that, you just set your availability. Okay, you can add another time slot if broken slot yung kailangan nyo. Like kunwari, 8 to 12 o'clock, then after that, 10 to 12 a.m. na. So, you can add another slot for that. Okay, so ganun lang po siya kadali. Then, save and continue. Then, after that, may advice here is start with $3. Okay? So, kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng maraming estudyante, doon na kayo magtaas ng rate nyo. Okay, so ganun lang po kadali and complete and register. Okay, so kapag nag-complete register kayo dyan, ayan na po yung lalabas. Successfully submitted. Within 5 business days, you will receive an email with your application status update. Okay, so maghihintay na kayo ng 5 days and ayun na po iyon. So, ganun lang po kadali mag-apply kay Preply. If ever na walang reply sa inyo in 5 days, I advise na mag-ano kayo, gamit kayo ng another email, tapos mag-register ulit kayo dito. Okay, so ganun lang po kung paano mag-apply kay Preply and hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. Again, you can follow me for more tutorials and DSL tips. Sa mga bagong ESL teacher dyan, I just want to share sa inyo yung mga knowledge na natutunan ko as my own. Okay, so that's all for today. Again, happy teaching mga teach! Bye!